Good morning, Pop Pops Bees. This is the swarm pickup from last night. So we're gonna see what we got. Let these girls out. See if we can see the queen. A lot of bees. That aspect there is just like putting in a package. A lot of bees in here. This was a brand new frame last night. Festooning and drawing on it as hard as they can go. Already got that side drawn out. Man, they smell amazing. Beautiful bees. Beautiful. We're gonna see if we can see the queen. I'm not gonna mess around with them a whole lot. Good-natured bees. Not bumping me or anything, so that's nice. They're going to town. That frame is packed full of honey that they brought with them. A lot of bees on that frame. A lot of bees. Try not to mash anybody, because that's when we get stung. Woo! So many bees on that frame, it was heavy. I hope Queen went in that. Love to get a peek at her, but it ain't necessary. See if I can spy her real quick. Not seeing her. Once again, just like a package, pretty much at this point, we'll bump them and dump them. And they're all out of there. Give them some fresh frames to work on, because they're in comb drawing mode. We're going to let them draw all the comb they'll draw while they're locked in that stage of life. Let them start building her up. Come back and revisit them probably this weekend. They're good to go. Swarm number 2, 2024. Got it wrote down here. Where they came from and when we caught them. And bucket's ready to go on another round. Pop Pops Bees, Funny Buck Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a wonderful day.